Good morning, everyone. So, we did the chapter, done the question answers and hard words. I'm sure you are thorough with the spellings. Today, we'll start with the exercises. So, as you all know, the first exercise, page number 40. What are we doing here? We are learning how do we speak. And as we did, the continuous tense using ing with the verb. Sometimes when we talk of the past tense, we use ed. Now here, pupil B saying, I'm going for a swim. So obviously, pupil A must be asking, where are you going? Where are you going? Now, second is pupil A has to ask something. How much? How much we use for the quantity. Pupil B saying rupees 1000. It shows the date and the month also. So, definitely which shows the date and the month? The watch. Pupil A must be asking, how much does this watch cost? Or how much is the price of this watch? Pupil B will say rupees 1000. The watch is for rupees 1000. It shows the date and the month also. Basically, the watch shows only time. Now, this is learning to write the dialogues or speak the dialogues or how to converse with someone. Pupil B saying, I would like a burger and a cup of vanilla ice cream. When do you speak such a sentence? When somebody asks you, what would you like to have? What would you like to have? Then you can say, I would like to have a burger and a cup of vanilla ice cream. Answers are there in the worksheet. Here, just try to understand. Answers are there in the worksheet, okay? Pupil B is saying, no sir, I didn't steal any money. I didn't even enter his house. So pupil A, what do you think pupil A must be saying? Did you steal his money? So if somebody asks you, did you do this? Then you usually answer, yes, I did, or no, I did not. So this is what pupil B is saying. No, sir, I did not. I did not steal any money. I didn't even enter his house. So the question must be, did you steal his money? Question mark is already there. We just have to write few words. Now, related exercise says, in a watch shop, which sentence do you think is appropriate for a watch shop? Number 1, where are you going? I'm going for a swim. No. How much does this watch cost? Ye fit hai na? This one happens in a watch shop? Yes. So, ye second hai. In a police station, what happens? What out of these 4, which question must be there in a police station? Which question must have happened in the police station? Yeah. Did you steal his money? Then only the person will say, no, I did not. So, number 4. In a police station is 4. At the swimming pool, where do you go for swimming? At a swimming pool. So, what kind of question, which question is there for the swimming pool? Where are you going? I'm going for a swim. Ye number 1 hai. In a restaurant, where do you answer things like, I would like to have a burger and a cup of vanilla ice cream? It happens in a restaurant. So, in a restaurant will be number 2. Answers are there. Don't worry about the answers. You know by now. Yeah. Next exercise says, what these people must be saying. what they must be telling. So ये first है vegetable vendor है ना. ये auntie must be there to buy the vegetables. So what do you think she must be saying? The person is also looking happy. Auntie is also happy. So auntie must be saying, today the vegetables are very fresh. So even the vendor is happy. Second picture, we can see two boys playing with a football. They are there with a football and two friends are there. So what do you think he must be saying? The person in the yellow t-shirt must be saying, would you like to play in my team? Or would you like to play with me? It can be anything, है ना? So this is what they must be saying. We have to understand, we have to see the faces and understand the emotions. They are not sad, they are happy. The person in yellow t-shirt is kind of asking something. So it must be, would you like to play in my team or with me? The other boy is looking happy. Yeah, I will. And the third picture, ये platform है ना, railway platform. Can you see, like you can see the train leaving the platform, and this is TTE, and there's one person with the baggage. Oh my God, he's very angry. So what he must be saying? Yeah, we can understand that the train has left the station and this person could not board the train. So he is annoyed, he is unhappy, he is shouting at the TT. Oh, ye gaade aur TT hai. So he is saying, because of you I missed my train. है ना, ऐसे लग रहा है ना? This person is angry and saying, oh, because of you I have missed my train. Okay. So answers you will fill in the worksheet. Here only understanding. Now this exercise, little bit of understanding is required. There are certain words in this circle and meanings are in the square. First is Lata saying, what's sign a sign of? You know what is sign? So Arif saying, it's a sign of sadness. When somebody sadness says, oh. So this is sighing. So he says it's a sign of sadness. Why are you sighing? Lata says, I was thinking of my grandmother. Means हो सकता है उसकी grandmother is already dead. So she's thinking about her grandmother and so she's feeling sad. Now we have to use all these 6 verbs and find their meanings. ये worksheet में है answers है ना? You don't worry, just try to understand. Lata saying, what's whistling a sign of? ये जो underlined words है ना, we have to replace them with the verbs given in the circle. Suppose I say, what's whistling a sign of? Instead of sighing, it will be whistling. So Arif saying, whistling is a sign of happiness. When we are happy, we whistle. What's yawning us? And Lata saying, why whistling? You can be thinking of anything and whistling. Lata saying, I'm thinking about my school picnic. So she's whistling, thinking about it. Next, what's yawning a sign of? Yawning, you know what is yawning? Yawning is a sign of feeling sleepy. So, Arif saying it's a sign of feeling sleepy. It's a sign of feeling sleepy. But why are you yawning? Lata saying, I'm tired. So, I want to sleep now. I'm tired. Next, what's scratching your head a sign of? When do you scratch your head? When you are confused. When you are confused about something. Oh God, what can be the answer for this question like? So, scratching your head is a sign of confusion. So, Arif saying, but why are you scratching your head? Lata will answer, because I don't know what's the answer for this question. So, I'm scratching my head and thinking. Next, what's a Bowing your head, a sign of. It's not bowing, it's bow. B-O-W is a bow also, but that is when you use the bow and arrow. When you bend your head, it is bowing. What's bowing your head a sign of? You bow your head when you show respect to someone. When you show respect to someone, then you bow your head. What's nodding a sign of? Nodding your head when you agree with somebody. Oh yeah, you are right. Oh no, you're wrong. So when you nod, then when you show your agreement, then you nod your head. When you show your agreement, then you nod your head. Now, next, what's doodling a sign of? What's doodling a sign of? Doodling a sign of passing the time. Doodling a sign of passing the time. You draw pictures. That's called doodling. You draw pictures with some theme or with some word. You can make something else. So, जब कुछ काम करने का mood नहीं हो, you can say, oh God, I'm not in a mood to do anything, so I'm doodling. I'm drawing something. आप बस बैठे हो and you're drawing something. That's called doodling. Okay? So, this is what we have done. Only 3 exercises today. You'll do them and this exercise has to be done in the notebook. I have told you in the worksheet also that this exercise, only this 3rd exercise has to be done in the notebook. 1 and 2 will be done in the books only. Okay children, we'll meet again and do the other exercises of the same chapter. So next time you sit for the class, sit with your book so that you can fill up along. You can fill up along this listening. You can fill up also simultaneously. Okay? Bye.